Who was the first man created by God? A. Adam. B. Noah. C. Abraham. D. Moses. The answer is A. Adam. Who was swallowed by a great fish? A. Jonah. B. Moses. C. Daniel. D. Paul. The answer is Jonah. Who did God give the 10 Commandments to? A. Aaron. B. Noah. C. Samuel. D. Moses. The answer is D. Moses. What type of insect did John the Baptist eat in the desert? A. Locust. B. Bees. C. Ants. D. Flies. The answer is A. Locust. On what day did Jesus rise from the dead? A. Friday. B. Saturday. C. Sunday. D. Monday. The answer is C. Saturday. Who was turned into a pillar of salt? A. Lot's wife. B. Noah's wife. C. Pharaoh's wife. D. Jezebel. The answer is A. Who was the first murderer in the Bible? A. Cain. B. Abel. C. Lamech. D. Seth. The answer is A. Cain. Who was the strongest man in the Bible? A. Samson. B. Goliath. C. Saul. D. David. The answer is A. Samson. Who was the king that had a dream interpreted by Daniel? A. King Saul. B. King David. C. King Solomon. D. King Nebuchadnezzar. The answer is D. Nebuchadnezzar. Which book comes last in the New Testament? A. Revelation. B. Jude. C. Acts. D. Romans. The answer is A. Revelation. Who was the first king of Israel? A. Saul. B. David. C. Solomon. D. Samuel. The answer is Saul. How many days and nights did Jesus fast? A. 30 days and 30 nights. B. 40 days and 40 nights. C. 12 days and 12 nights. D. 7 days and 7 nights. The answer is B. Who walked on the water? Who walked on water? Who walked on water? A. Peter. B. John. C. James. D. Matthew. The answer is Peter. Who interpreted the dreams of Pharaoh? A. Joseph. B. Benjamin. C. Jacob. D. Moses. The answer is Joseph. In the parable of the Good Samaritan, who was the first to pass by the wounded man? A. Priest. B. a Levite, C. a Samaritan, D. a merchant. The answer is A. priest. What was the first plague of Egypt? A. darkness, B. locust, C. water turned to blood, D. frogs. The answer is water turned to blood. Who betrayed Jesus? A. Peter, B. Judas Iscariot, C. Pontius Pilate, D. Herod. The answer is B. What did God create on the fourth day? A. animals, B. man, C. sun, moon, and stars, D. sea creatures. The answer is C. Who was not one of Daniel's three friends? A. Abednego, B. Meshach, C. Shadrach, D. Elisha. The answer is D. How many books are in the New Testament? A. 27, B. 39, C. 66, D. 12. The answer is 27. Where was Jesus born? A. Nazareth, B. Bethlehem, C. Jerusalem, D. Capernaum. The answer is Bethlehem. How many men, women, and children did Jesus feed with just 5 loaves and 2 fish? A. 3,000, B. 4,000, C. not stated, D. 5,000. The answer is C. What was Jesus' first recorded miracle? A. walking on water, B. turning water to wine, C. healing the sick, D. calming the storm. The answer is B. Which book of the Bible contains the account of the Tower of Babel? A. Genesis, B. Exodus, C. Leviticus, D. Numbers. The answer is A. Which of Jesus' disciples used to be a tax collector? A. Andrew, B. Matthew, C. John, D. Peter. The answer is B. What is the shortest verse in the Bible? A. God is love, B. the Lord is my shepherd, C. love your neighbor, D. Jesus wept. The answer is D. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and leave a comment. Thank you. See you soon on my next video. Bye.